Check this out, an ornate lion-shaped light switch plate, handcrafted with care. A fierce lion's mane, each strand meticulously carved. You can almost feel the texture under your fingers. And look at that golden finish. The light plays across every curve, every ridge. Note the clever screw access, elegant design without sacrificing functionality. It's not just decoration, it's art you touch every day. Intrigued? Follow along for more handcrafted wonders, and let a little artistry brighten your walls.